In this video, we will cover some basic questions based on the nature of different species, whether the species is paramagnetic or diamagnetic in nature. Firstly, what we must need to learn that is, what are paramagnetic species? Para means those species which contain unpaired electron. अगर electrons unpaired होते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं paramagnetic. But if all the electrons are paired, those are known as diamagnetic species. If all the electrons are even, those species are known as diamagnetic species. Like if electrons are 2, 4, 6, 8, all are known as diamagnetic in nature. But here is one exception, and that is if electrons are 10 and 16, then those species are known as paramagnetic in nature. There is one exception only. If all electrons are even, are diamagnetic, but if electrons are 10 or 16 are paramagnetic in nature. What other condition is for paramagnetism? There must be odd number of electrons. So if electrons are odd, 10 electrons, 16 electrons, then those species are paramagnetic in nature. Like H2, 1H contain 1 electron, then 2H will contain 2 electrons. Because electrons are even in number, then this species is diamagnetic in nature. Helium, 1 helium contain 2 electrons, then 2 helium will contain 2 to the 4 electron, because electrons are again even in number, and if electrons are even in number, then those species are diamagnetic in nature. Lithium, 1 lithium will contain 3 electrons and 3 to the 6 electron. This is again diamagnetic in nature. Beryllium, 1 contains 4 and 2 contains 8 electrons. Again species diamagnetic in nature. Boron, 1 boron contains 5 electrons, 2 contain 5 to the 10 electrons. Because here is the exception, भले ही इलेक्ट्रॉन इवन है, बट एक्सेप्शन ये थी अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन 10 है तो वो बिहेव करेगा एज पैरामैग्नेटिक. बट वाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंटेनिंग 10 and 16 बिहेव एज पैरामैग्नेटिक? शेयर दिस विद यू लेटर ऑन in the last part of the video. Carbon, 1 carbon contains 6 electron and 2 will contain 12 electrons, because electrons are even in number, again diamagnetic in nature. Nitrogen, 1 nitrogen contains 7 electron, 2 contain 14 electron, again diamagnetic in nature. N2 negative, 7 to the 14 and plus 1, 15 electron, because electrons are odd here, then species is paramagnetic. O2 positive, 8 into 2 minus 1, 8 to the 16 minus 1, 15 electron, again it is paramagnetic. O2, 1 oxygen contain 8 electron and 2 contain 8 to the 16 electron, so species is again paramagnetic. Exception, 16 electron species. O2 2 negative, 1 oxygen contain 8 electron, 2 contain 8 into 2, 2 negative मतलब we have to add 2, because oxygen ने gain कर रहे हैं electron. 8 to the 16 plus 2, 18 electron, because electrons are even, this is diamagnetic. CO, 1 carbon contains 6 electron, oxygen contain 8 electron, 14 electron, again paramagnetic. NH3, 7 plus 3H है तो 3 into 1, because each H contain 1 electron, तो 3 है तो 3 into 1. 7 plus 3, 10 electron, again it is paramagnetic in nature. Carbon contains 6 electron, nitrogen contain 7 plus 1, 14 electron, again diamagnetic. So now here is the question, why the species containing 10 and 16 electrons behave as paramagnetic in nature? Okay, so here are the rules for electron less than equal to 14. 10 number is 10 electrons are less than 14, then this rule will be obeyed. Let's start filling for it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, बिकॉज जो इलेक्ट्रॉन लास्ट शेल में एंटर हुए हैं वो अनपेयर्ड रह गए, इसीलिए इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंटेनिंग 10 आर पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. Fine. Then for 16 electron, this rule is obeyed because 16 is more than 14. Let's start filling for 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अगेन हेयर बिकॉज लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो ऑर्बिटल में फिल हुए हैं वो अनपेयर्ड रह गए, तो दैट्स वाई अ स्पीशीज कंटेनिंग 16 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. दैट्स इट. आई होप आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया होगा कि ये पैरामैग्नेटिक क्यों होते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन सिंपली आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स. आफ्टर दिस I'll upload a video on the bond order, some basic questions we will do there. Thank you.